Hey guys, it's Rita. I have a very small Dollar Tree haul today, along with a couple things from Dollar General, and then I'll have a really quick and easy DIY at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So to get on with the haul, I have from Dollar Tree some modeling clay. Of course, you know I have something in mind for it. And I found these two bookends. They say read. So they would go like this, of course. They had different colors, I think pink, I'm not sure. Anyway, there were 3 other colors. And just some sponge dabbers. And I picked up one of these little glass jars with the nautical decorative. Oh, it's broke. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm gonna have to take this back. I am so disappointed in that. Okay, it's going back. And then a decor piece. It's a little house. And they've got a lot of new signs out. Didn't get all of them because I have a ton that I haven't done anything with, but I did pick up this one. And, oh, sorry. It says, welcome home. And then that one says, life is beautiful. This one, mom's bathroom, wash, brush, and floss. I did find 2 of the Armor All vent clips in eucalyptus mint for the car, air fresheners. I found this Whole Blends by Garnier. It's a single-use rinse-out care cream, and there's 2 in this pack, and that's what they look like. I picked up one more of the food tints because I thought I had 2 that day, but I only had 1, so I picked up this one in the pink floral design. And then I picked up 3 of the mini patriotic flags. One flip-flop decor piece that I'll be redoing. And then from Dollar Tree, just a couple of items. I've been on the hunt for lemon stuff, and it's hard to come by for some reason, but this is just a lemon vinyl tablecloth for $1 at Dollar General. And then I guess these are salt and pepper shakers. They have the same number of holes in the top, so, and they just say old fashioned, established 1882, I believe. And I just like those. Do something with them. But that's all I have for my haul today, so let's get right into the DIY. The items I'm using today are all from the Dollar Tree. I have this pack of wood cutouts, and I'll be using some Waverly chalk paint and silver lining. Of course, that's from Walmart. And this is Parrot Blue. I'm kind of winging it today, guys. This is a Snow White apple barrel, and this is Ivory chalk paint. And I also grabbed the antique wax as well. I'm using this grapevine wreath. I'll be using some of this nautical rope, and I'll also be using some of the Spanish moss. There are 2 of each of the cutouts in the pack. There's an anchor, the captain's wheel, and a sailboat, and I'll be using 1 of each. I just want to lighten this blue some. I don't want it quite as bright as it is. So I'll be using some of the white acrylic paint mixed in with this blue. I'll begin by painting all of the pieces with a base coat of white. I'll be lightly brushing on some of the blue onto the grapevine wreath, just to give it a different look. I'm trying this today, guys, so just bear with me and we'll see how it turns out. I'll be using the silver lining to paint the bottom of the sailboat, and I'll also use it to paint part of the captain's wheel as well as part of the anchor. Now I'm using the blue to paint the tips of the anchor and the very tip at the bottom, and I changed this several times, as you'll see, so just hang out and see what I do. And now I'm using the silver lining again to paint the top part of the anchor. I decided to go in and just lightly brush on some of the blue onto the sails of the sailboat. I'm really winging this today, guys. Just stick around and see how it turns out. I do need some help at the end of the video. I need a suggestion. So if you can hang out till the end and comment below, I would really appreciate it. And now I've decided to take some of the antique wax and go around the captain's wheel, as well as brush some on the sailboat and the anchor. And now I'm going to use some of the nautical rope just to lightly wrap it around the wreath, and I'm using hot glue to hold this down. I'm going to use some of the Spanish moss just in a couple of places on the wreath. And here's where my dilemma is. I'm not sure if I need to put the boat on it or not. I don't know if it's adding too much, but at the end of the video I'll show you both ways and you can let me know what you think. And I'll just be using a piece of the nautical rope as a hanger. And so here I am trying to decide. Okay, in just a second I'll hang it up and let you see it both ways and you can let me know. Okay, so here it is without the boat. I think it turned out really cute. Just think it needs something added to it and I'm not sure what. Okay, now here it is with the boat at the bottom. Of course you could place it at the top, I guess, as well. But let me know what you guys think. Here it is at the top. I've got a piece of tape on the back of it, just kind of sticking it around on there. But if you comment below and let me know, or let me know if you think I need something totally different, or if you like it. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. And I would like to thank all my subscribers who support me so much. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Just hit subscribe and the notification bell. You'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. I thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you have a great evening and I'll see you in the next video.